Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So yesterday I let you know that there had been reports that the December Patch Tuesday security update, which is KB5072033, was enabling what I called a resource-hungry AppX deployment service at Windows 11 startup, resulting in high CPU usage. I'll leave the video link down below and in the end screen if you'd like more information. Now, just to let you know that that's potentially not the only problem that this update is causing. Where according to reports doing the rounds over on Reddit by a user calling themselves Nifnaf, one of Windows 11's core system services, which is called delivery optimization, apparently can be consuming large amounts of RAM after this update installs, according to the post over on Reddit. Now, if we quickly just head into our services, because this is a background service that runs in the background on your device. And if you don't know where services are, just do a search accordingly in your taskbar search. And here is the service, delivery optimization, which says performs content delivery optimization tasks. And it's also known as DOSVC. And what this service does, basically at the end of the day, it helps speed up Windows Update and Microsoft Store downloads and updates by allowing your device to get update files from other users on a local network or over the internet, which is also known as delivery optimization, as I mentioned. So if we head back to our settings, head into Windows Update, advanced options, this is what I'm talking about. According to Microsoft, delivery optimization downloads updates from Windows, Microsoft Store, and other Microsoft products quickly and reliably. And this is actually, I think, toggled on by default, and this is something I always toggle off, as I've mentioned previously on the channel. I just found that with this off, although you use slightly higher bandwidth, I have far less update problems, and I have mentioned that in previous videos. So that's delivery optimization and the relevant setting. Now, getting back to the post over on Reddit, and here is a graph provided where this was monitored. Memory usage over time by service. Now, the user monitored the system performance and noticed that the DOSVC, as mentioned, delivery optimization service, steadily increased its memory consumption over time, as we can see. Here to the left is the amount in megabytes, and here we can see the time at the bottom. Compared to other background services, the delivery optimization kept using significantly more memory and RAM, as we can see, which could possibly suggest a memory leak, which is a performance issue. And this behavior can explain why some PCs show higher than expected memory usage even when no demanding apps run in the background. So if you have experienced performance issues since updating to KB5072033, that could be a possible reason why, especially if you have limited RAM or are running a lower end device, a low budget machine. Now, for both these issues, as mentioned yesterday and this one today, remember the video will be linked. There's no official fix yet from Microsoft and no word from Microsoft. So what I would suggest, obviously, if the negatives are outweighing the positives, is to uninstall the update by heading down to uninstall updates on Windows 11. Clicking on this, finding the update and follow the prompts. But just make sure to pause your updates, else the update will try to install itself automatically because it is a mandatory update. Or, like I do, I just keep delivery optimization turned off, which should hopefully then negate those memory spikes and the high consumption of memory over time as shown in that graph. So that's a bit of a workaround. Just turn this off until hopefully Microsoft acknowledges this and rolls out fixes sooner than later for both issues. But I'll keep my ear to the ground. And obviously, if I get any more information, I'll keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.